I joined Football Radar all the way back when we started in Copenhagen. We moved to London in 2010 and started to hire developers. Just been growing from there on.
So Football Radar's vision is to be the smartest company in football analysis.
Our role is to build in-house software for our analysts and our watchers. Then we build statistical models, and at the end we build dashboards to visualize all this data.
Because we're involved in this whole pipeline, we're absolutely critical to the company's success.
When we moved to London, we kind of decided that we really like this startup mentality. I don't just mean a football table and awesome lunch. It's also responsibility, autonomy, and freedom for the developers.
You can just choose what you want to do and kind of take it in your own direction.
What is amazing is flexible hours of working.
Lack of micromanagement again, that's just the best thing.
So we want to hire the best developers that we can get, and to get the best developers you need the best environment. So that's what we've created.
We have nice, spacious, well-lit rooms. We have a breakout room which we use to do tech demos and socialise, mainly drinking beer.
Everyone's just on the same level, everyone is heard.
So anyone can bring ideas to the table, and then the best ideas should win.
And we're really close to the business, so we have immediate access to them.
We know the directive is coming from the people who are actually going to end up using this. We know who the end users are, and you're more likely to be able to just go and talk to someone if you've been for a drink with them at the pub or whatever, than if it's just an unknown name on the end of an email.
I believe that the diversity of people we have in the team shows that we're not really looking for a specific template of person. The things we're looking for are people who have either shown technical excellence in their work so far, or people who can demonstrate that potential to really get involved in what we do here.
I think the best thing to say about the variety is that we pretty much cover all bases. So we've got guys coming all the way from financial background and startups, and then we've got guys who literally it's their first job.
If you are really into football, then this can be a really special place to work. But it turns out that from football come lots of interesting challenges as well. It throws up lots of interesting statistical problems. We do a lot of stuff with real time, with large amounts of data.
I think good developers are attracted by challenging and interesting projects, and that's what we have.
You don't really have specific roles kind of within the team. You end up doing a wide variety of work as well. You might be working with Scala one day and then JavaScript the next.
The most important thing to write good software is to have a strong team. So it's actually just like football. If you have the strongest team, you have a better chance of winning.
I think there are a lot of really cool people who are really fun to work with.
We do a lot of activities together as a team. I think the big thing is just the relaxed culture is really nice.
The benefits we get here, the nice dinners, lunches, gym memberships, cycling, are very good.
It's just nice to know that you've got all that stuff sorted for you.
There's a kind of a climbing club and a yoga club, also football.
Unsurprisingly.
But if Rick in there, there's a problem because he's a Chelsea fan, and you know, just dealing with that on a day-to-day basis.
I've got no response.
One of the other things we're really keen for is our developers to keep pushing themselves technically.
And we'll help train people, send them to conferences if they want to do that. I think we're also quite good at learning from each other. I don't think there's one thing in particular that I could point to that says that that's the thing that makes this a great place to work. I think it's lots of things taken together.
I'm proud of working at Football Radar. Best place I worked so far. I don't think it will be easy to beat it.